Hey everyone, it's Evelyn again, and tomorrow is Father's Day, so I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Father's Day bracelet. So now let's get to it. So for this DIY, you're going to be needing 2 different colors of small string, and they should be 6 feet each, 1 thick string, 2 feet, some beads, and since this is for Father's Day, I'm spelling Dad, a charm, and I chose an E charm with my initial on it, and then a lobster clasp, a piece of tape, a pair of scissors, and a hot glue gun. So now let's get started. So first, you take your thick string and you thread your charm onto it. And then put it down to the end, like this. And then you take your tape and take the charm down. And then take your first color of your small string and thread it under the thick string. And then make sure that it's centered. Then cross this end over, and cross this end over, and cross the same end under, and then pull. And then take your second color of small string and thread it under the thick string. And make sure it's centered. Then cross this end over and this end over. And the same end, cross it under, and then pull. And then cross your first string over the second string. Cross this string over. And this one over, and the same one, cross it under, and then pull. And then put the second string under the first one. Cross this end over, this end over, and the same end, cross it under, and then pull. And keep on repeating that pattern. Just make sure you always cross from this side to this side. Another thing to remember is that when you're braiding it, make sure that your first string is always on the top. So now I have the bracelet halfway done, and I'm going to start adding the beads. after you have all the beads on there, just keep repeating the same pattern that you repeated up here. Okay, so now that I finished braiding, I'm just going to put a small drop of hot glue in the middle. And then cross each one of the ends over. And then cut the extra string off. And then you take your keyring, your lobster clasp, and then you thread it onto one of these, and then you tie a knot. And try to get it as close as possible to the lobster clasp. And then cut the end. And put a small drop of hot glue on it. And then you can just close the bracelet like this, and then you're done. So here's the finished bracelet, and tomorrow I'm going to give it to my dad to surprise him. I hope you guys do something nice for your dad. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!